to Nuer Tube. Today we are going to learn these 10 English vocabulary words. If you are new to my channel, please, I would like you to subscribe and support me by sharing it. Word number one, this is intriguing. 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 It is something that captures attention or curiosity. When you are curious, or something that captures the mind of people, something that captures attention or curiosity, it is intriguing. Okay, intriguing. Word number two, captivate. Captivate. This is a verb. It's meant to attract, and all the interest or attentions of someone. This is used to attract somebody, or to all the interest or attention of someone. This is called captivate, when you can attract people or you can capture attentions of somebody. It is called captivate. Vibrant. It is adjective. This is full of life. It means full of life, energy or color. Energy or full of life, like something having many colors, or something which is very colorful. Okay, or something that has energy. Okay, it is called vibrant, full of life, energy or color. You are vibrant. Innovative. Word innovative. This is adjective. Innovative. It means introducing new ideas or methods. When you can come up with the new ideas or anything which is new, okay, that is innovative. Coming up with the new idea or something new, it is called innovative. Innovative means introducing new ideas or methods. Versatile. This word versatile, this is adjective. Versatile mean capable of adapting or being used for different purpose. Adapting or being used for different purpose, it is called versatile. Capable of adapting or being used for different purposes. Versatile. Another word is engaging. Engaging, it is adjective. It means attractive or interesting, keeping someone attention, the same as like captivate, when you are attracting somebody. Here you are trying, to get attention of somebody. Attractive or interesting, keeping someone attention, it is called engaging. You create some work. Let's say if you are a content creators, you need to create something that can attract people or that can capture other people's mind and watch your contents. It is called engaging, keeping someone attentions. It is called engaging. Empower. It is a verb. Empower means to give someone the authority or power to do something. Giving someone authority or power. Okay, giving somebody a power or motivating somebody to do something, or you give somebody to be in control. It is called empower. To give someone the authority or giving someone a power to do something, that is empower. Transform. It is a verb. It means to change something. Transforming, to change something in a significant way. Changing something. Alright, You are trying to change an idea to something new. It is called transform. To change something in a significant way, it is called transform. Inspire, vocabulary number 9. Inspire. Inspire, it is a verb. This verb is used to motivate someone to take action or feel a certain way. Motivating someone to take action. When you want somebody to do something for you or for others, you need to put him into a good word, or you need to put her into good word, so that that person can do something. It is like motivating somebody, to motivate someone to take action. You motivate somebody so that it can do something. Maybe or somebody try to do something, and that person failed to do it because that person do not have the motivation. So as a person, you need to inspire. You need to give that person an idea why it is very important for that person to do that thing. So inspire mean it is to motivate someone. You need to motivate other people. That is the meaning of word inspire. Words number 10, to vocabulary number 10. Resilient. Resilient, it is adjective. Resilient mean to be able to recover quickly from difficulties or adversities. To recover quickly. Let's say you are in the middle of something, or something bad happened to you, so you might not want to work, but you just continue, without even stopping, okay, or you are able to recover quickly without stopping. So that's what we mean by resilient. Resilient mean able to recover quickly from difficult or adversities. So you got to be resilient, which means that you need to be strong when something happens. So these are the 10 English vocabulary words that I want you to learn today, and these are the things. This is how I learned. So okay, just continue reading. And today, word that we learn about intriguing, captivate, vibrant, innovative, versatile, engaging, empower, transform, and inspire, resilient. So please wait for me for another topic, and do not forget to subscribe or share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.